Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologues channel. If you're someone who dreads the oily and starchy fasting food, here's something light and fluffy for you. The Farali Idli, or also called as the Upwas Idli or Vrat ki Idli. These are instant idlis made with a combination of sago and barnyard millet. Barnyard millet is also called as bhagaar, varai or samake chawal. Add 1 cup of samake chawal into a mixer jar. Add quarter cup of sago or sabudana to it and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add half teaspoon of rock salt to this mix and grind into a coarse powder. Like this. Add 1 cup of yogurt to it, preferably sour in taste, and give it a nice mix. Add half cup of water and mix it so that there are no lumps. The consistency of the batter should be like that of idli batter, like this. Keep covered and allow to rest for 20 to 30 minutes. In a small bowl, take 2 tablespoons of water. Add half teaspoon of soda to it. Mix it properly with the fingers and add it to the batter. Now give the batter a nice mix so that all the soda gets evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Now grease idli molds and add 2 dollops of batter in each idli mold. When all the molds are filled, tap the idli stand once or twice to level off the batter and remove any air bubbles if exist. Steam for 10 to 12 minutes in an idli cooker. Now remove and allow to cool. You can see that the idlis are done. They are nice, soft and fluffy. Now demold the idlis and place in a bowl and they are ready to eat. You can see how soft and fluffy it is. This can be accompanied with a green chutney for Upwas. Stay tuned for the recipe of green Upwas chutney. To make the Upwas chutney, in a mixer jar, place half cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 or 2 green chilies, half cup of coriander, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to ease the process of grinding. Add 1 tablespoon of roasted groundnut powder. You can add the juice of half a lime and grind into a fine paste. Now remove into a container. In a tempering wok, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and allow it to melt. Once the ghee is hot, add 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds or cumin seeds and allow them to splutter. And your tempering is ready. Now add it to the chutney and give it a nice mix. And your soft and delicious Farali idli with the green Upwas chutney is ready to consume. The ingredients for the recipe are displayed here. A complete list of written, downloadable and printable instructions are mentioned in our blog at www.thefoodmonologues.com. Do visit our blog for more interesting and delicious recipes. The link is mentioned in the description below. If you like this recipe, share with friends and family and do give the video a like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.